Scuba Steve!
Fucking dick licker!
Dick licker.
Oh,
Ow.
you fucking asshole! Scuba Steve!
Are you recording
Oh,
him?
yeah.
Jackie kicked him in the balls.
Fuck you!
What the hell?
He threw a chair.
Oh shit!
And Jason threw it back.
I'm just gonna get in.
Jackie, jump in now, because I'm recording.
Ready?
Do it.
1,
Go,
2,
go.
3, go.
Oh,
Jackie
wow.
jumped in and Matt jumped in. Say hi to the camera.
Fucking cold.
Is it?
You know your eyeliner.
That means you're never gonna go in there.
Ah, I'm fucking cold.
Are you happy that you jumped in?
Yes, I am.
What are you gonna do now?
Cold.
Those are new pants too, huh? Have you washed them? Did you wash them before you put them on?
Now it's gonna be a pain in the ass.
I'm cold.
I bet.
Holy shit, that feels good though. Kevin, come on, get in the pool. I got it.
Told you I jump in. I never said I was going.